Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to reset drivers in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Step 1. First, right-click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up a quick access menu. Step 2. From the list of options, click on Device Manager. This tool allows you to manage all the hardware installed on your computer. Step 3. In the Device Manager, you'll see a list of categories representing different types of hardware. Double-click on Display Adapters to expand the category. Then, find the device you want to reset, right-click on it, and proceed. Step 4. A context menu will appear. Select Uninstall device from this menu. Make sure to check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device to completely remove the driver from your system. Step 5. Finally, click on Uninstall to confirm the action. Your device driver will be removed, and Windows will revert to using the default driver. And that's it. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.